Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, the today's topic is the human female reproductive system. It is for class 10th. The human female reproductive system consists of the following organs: ovaries, oviducts, which are also called fallopian tubes, uterus and vagina. Since the human female is called woman, so we can also say that it is the reproductive system of woman. Ovaries are the oval-shaped organs which are inside the abdominal cavity of a woman near the kidneys. A woman has two ovaries. Ovaries are the primary reproductive organs in a woman. The function of ovaries is to make mature female sex cells or female gametes called ova or eggs, and also to make the female sex hormones called estrogen and progesterone. Each ovary is composed of several thousand follicles, which are a kind of unripe eggs or unripe ova. At puberty, these follicles mature to form the ripe eggs or ripe ova required for fertilization. Just above the ovaries are the tubes called oviducts, which are also known as fallopian tubes. The oviducts are not directly connected to ovaries but have funnel-shaped openings which almost cover the ovaries. The ovum or egg cell released by an ovary goes into the oviduct through its funnel-shaped opening. The fertilization of egg or ovum by sperm takes place in the oviduct. The two oviducts connect to a bag-like organ called uterus or womb at their other ends. The growth and development of a fertilized ovum or fertilized egg into a baby takes place in the uterus. The uterus is connected through a narrow opening called cervix, another tube called vagina, which opens to the outside of the body. Vagina receives the pens for putting sperms into the woman's body. Vagina is a tubular structure. Vagina is also called birth canal because it is through this passage that the baby is born after the completion of development inside the uterus of the mother. In human female or woman, the opening for passing out urine called urethra and the vaginal opening are separate. The human female reproductive system is more complex than that of the male reproductive system. The complexity in structure and function of the female reproductive system is necessary for the union of sperms and ovum inside the female body and the development of the baby in the mother's uterus. So this is about the human female reproductive system.